Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV, welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 93. We're heading north. We're going up towards Vegas. We're going to go up and play around Lake Mead. Have a little fun. Maybe explore around the lake. Look for a campground. Spend the night. Do something up there. Well, I reluctantly have to stop and get some fuel. Seems like the price just jumped overnight in diesel. See what they get here. I think looks like $5.49. So let me stop, get filled up, and we'll head on up to Lake Mead. Yay! Kind of breezy right now. The winds are supposed to lay down. It's supposed to get actually hot later. All right. Let me do my duty here, get some fuel. Look at that, them dirty dogs. 72 bucks for 13 gallons. Goodness. That is just criminal. Okay, but we're full. That's only about a half a tank in this thing. Maybe a little over half. I think this van holds, what, 20, 23, or 24 gallons. Something like that. All right, let's get trucking. Highway 93, you know, they're going to turn this someday into an interstate. Interstate 11. It's supposed to go clear down from, like, Mexico all the way up through Vegas, maybe even farther. I know they got little sections like right around Vegas, Boulder City. It's already called Interstate 11. But it's gonna be a fun little trip. I'm figuring about 4 days. Might even take a little farther. Might take it a little farther than Lake Mead. Hoover Dam, 22 miles. Almost half tempted to go to the dam. I haven't been there in years. Boy, this whole area in here, it's all gas stations right now. Never used to be nothing out here. This used to be one lonely stretch of road between Boulder City and Kingman. Right here, the view just opens up. Big canyon way down to the left, way at the bottom. Colorado River flows through there. Right here on the left, that's the entrance to Willow Beach. You go all the way down to the bottom of the canyon to the river. There's camping, RV park, marina, boating, all kinds of stuff. We'll do that one of these days, make a trip down there. Speaking of views, let's see one. I've stopped here once before. Little scenic view area. There you go, a storyboard with graffiti. Man, unbelievable. Explore Lake Mead. We are there. We're really close to Hoover Dam. Mighty Lake Mead. There's the view. Way down there at the water, that's where Willow Beach is. Way down there. Look at the color of the water against the mountains, huh? Wow, that looks awful, huh? Dump your trash. All right, let's keep on trucking. Okay, back on 93. Wait for these guys to go by. Fast-paced road, kind of hard to film when it's this fast. Here we go. We'll go up to Boulder City, take that exit. Perfect weather. It's hard to believe we're already into May of this year. Man, time is flying. Kingman Wash. You know, that was the old exit years ago before they put in this new bridge. You drove across the dam. You had no way to get across it. But after that 9/11, that all changed. They built this thing. They warned trucks, high-profile trucks, stay the left lane. All right, we're getting close. Right over there, there's the Hoover Dam. Look at, you can see the, what they call the bathtub ring. Low water. Absolutely incredible. Okay, here's the main bridge coming up. I'll try to get a camera shot. See what we can see. Yay, there's Lake Mead. Wow, look how low. Look all the people getting selfies up here on the bridge. A lot of people visit good old Hoover Dam. All right, right up here, we're going to take the Boulder City exit. And welcome to Nevada. We're in Nevada now. Henderson, 22 miles. We're not going that far. And this is also the beginning of Interstate 11 here. Boulder City. 1 mile. There's some of the maintenance buildings for the dam. There's an old casino up here. I think it's called Hoover Dam Lodge, something like that. They got a trail. We'll go up there and take a little walk. You can see the lake pretty good from there. Should be this exit. This is kind of changed. This is all brand new stuff. Back in the old days, you came out this way. Then you were also forced to go all the way through Boulder City. That's all changed now too. All right, here we go. And to the left, that goes down to the dam. This here will take us towards Boulder City and Lake Mead. Here it is. This casino's been here a long time. They used to have helicopter rides. I don't think that place is in business anymore. $39. Yeah, last time I checked for a helicopter ride, it's like $300. They are way up there. I think the better deals are out of Vegas. Yeah, but you have to go all the way in town for that. Okay. Here it is. Yep. It's still open. God, I walked back here years ago. Been a long time. Looks like a few RVs. Perfect for day use. They probably even camp here. Well, there's the lake. Let's go for a walk. Here it is, Hoover Dam Lodge, Trailhead. Been here really long time. Gateway to Discovery. Look, they got pictures when the lake had water. Pretty good map. What else we got? More about the railroad path down there. The old oh, look at the workers when they built this thing back in the 30s. Cool. All right. What do you say? Take a little walk. Look at the terrain. It looked the same too when they were building the dam. Wow, look how low the lake is. There is nothing left of it. Whew. Wow, I was here, what, last September, and it is way down from them. Look at that big rock up here. Probably been there for 10,000 years. They built a sidewalk around it. Way out there, that's that RV park. What is it called? Boulder Beach or something? Got a little bench. Pretty iconic though, huh? Just big old towering red rocks everywhere, cliffs. On the news, there's the marina way down there. Look at the water line. Of course, it hadn't been full in like 30 years. Man, that is way down. But on the news, they discovered a deceased body. It was in a 55-gallon drum. Made national news. There is nothing left. Look, that should be all water. There's the RV park. That Boulder Beach thing, whatever they call it. I mean, that's a lot of water, but there's a... was it 30% full? Something like that. Sorry, trying to zoom in and out here. Well, there it is. There's Lake Mead. There's the old railroad trail. That's where the old railroad was when they built the dam. Wow, that's washed out, huh? There's another look at the... You can actually hike down there and walk that trail. I think it goes from like the visitor center way over by the dam. But used to have... I think there's a tunnel somewhere too it goes through. Cool. But used to have a train on it. Well, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we should go over to the dam. You guys want to go to the Hoover Dam? It's early enough. Hopefully it ain't too crowded. It's a weekday. Huh. I'm saying yeah. I think we ought to try it. Oop, I didn't catch this board here. An ideal location. Yeah, okay. Well, cool. Yeah, if you get a chance, check out that little trail. It's here at the Hoover Dam Lodge. Alright, we're going to go for it. We're going to go see Hoover Dam. Why not? Huh? It's been years. The last time I came to the dam was when you still had to drive across it. Been a long, long time. Always kind of avoided it because it was always so busy. But you know what? We need to go see it. Do the roundabout here. They've modernized this so much. It's so different. See, Interstate 11. Pretty cool. Alright, I've never driven this. Kind of zigzagging here. Where do I go? Hoover Dam straight. To the right. Yay. Now this looks familiar. This is the old road here. Alright. To the dam we go. Power lines everywhere. I wonder why. I mean, this thing has turned on a lot of light bulbs in its day. I'm kind of excited to go see this thing. It's been so long. Oh yeah, we got security. Gonna have to go through security up here. Right there on the left is another viewpoint. We'll check that when we leave. Alright, well, looks like there's a line up here. I'm going to have to wait to be inspected. Alright, I'll be back when I get through this stuff. Wow, they made me pull my bed apart, look underneath it, all the tubs, all the storage containers. I sat in there about 15 minutes. The guy was nice enough, but they really dog sniffing for whatever. But we made it, we passed. It's all downhill from here. Now you can really see, look at all the power lines, the grid, every direction. What does this thing have? Like 12 turbines? We'll find out. We're going to explore this thing. My goodness. Kind of exciting, huh? And old. Built in the 30s. Kind of created what? That was during the Depression, all the jobs. There it is. First glimpse. And no water. Oh, goodness. Wow, look, there's the bridge we crossed. Doesn't look like that from up top. My goodness, look at the span on that. That is way up there. I would like to build that thing. Oh, man. Wow. Pretty impressive engineering. Alright, we're getting closer to that security guard. I cannot park on this side. I have to go clear over to the other side of the dam, which is okay. I gotta park where the buses park. Look at the angle of those power poles there. They were built that way. There's their parking garage for cars. My goodness, look at how them things just hang over the edge. Well, here we are. We're at the Hoover Dam, built in the 30s. This wasn't planned today, I'll guarantee you. Guess what? We're here. Looks opened up. Wow. Not too many people either. Great. Well, I'm going to go find me a parking place, and guess what? Next video, we're exploring the Hoover Dam. Journey continues. Talk soon.